Morning guys, how are we today? I'm back on the road again today, 15th of February. It's been an interesting old morning. Finally got my group from the cruise boat. They had a tour escort that was missing in action, but we're all organised now. We're in a Volvo B12 again today. This is a real old classic, this one. 1993 Volvo B12 with the electric manual gearbox. So driven these a few times over the years, but not for a long time, so bit of a last minute change, but it'll do the job. 50 seats, but we're just here at the railway station. So folks are just having a look at the railway station as we speak, and we will do a quick little city sights tour, and then we're going to head out to the Otago Peninsula via the high road out to the Albatross Colony. But the day's clearing up very nice actually. It's a bit of a cool start. Lovely view of the railway station there. But I'll check in with you guys a bit later. Alright guys, we've made it to the Albatross Colony. It's quite a stormy old day down here in Dunedin today, which is actually good for increasing the chance of seeing the albatrosses on the flight. But been chasing my tail all day today. We're late away from the wharf, Port Chalmers. So it's just, yeah, we got here just on time. So next stop, Larnach Castle, and yeah, the old girl's not going too bad. Definitely haven't driven a B12 of this age for quite some time. 1993, as I said earlier. But yeah, she ticks along quite well. No tag steering on this one. But I have definitely driven quite a number of these earlier in my career. But that's it for now. I'll touch base with everyone again soon. The folks are just out on the actual Albatross tour now, so I'm going to go and get a coffee and chill out for half an hour, so I'll see you soon. How are we going guys? I'm just, as I said, the group's off on the Albatross tour, so we're going to take a wee walk around the cliff face here, just on the off chance an albatross flying. I'm not sure if we will or not. I had one earlier just as I turned the camera off, but we'll just go for a wee walk down here. Here at the moment. It's a rough old day on the Pacific Ocean today. A lot of white caps out there, very rough. Just guys, the group's just headed off to have some lunch, and they're heading now to do a tour of Larnach Castle and its gardens. So we made it here. It's been quite an interesting day. As I was going down to the bus park, I managed to meet another bus coming the other way, so I had to reverse up back into the front of the castle. But we got there in the end. It's pretty narrow in parts, the roadway leading up to the castle, for two big coaches to meet right on the corner, which we did. But that was all fun and games. It's a lovely day up here. So it took 12 years to complete this castle. Wealthy businessman William Larnach, they moved into the castle in 1878. It wasn't finished at that point. It's lovely gardens as well. So just around the rear side of the castle here, rose garden. The original outdoor kitchen area back in the early days. The kitchen's all in the ballroom area now. But it's a lovely building. They have a lot of functions out here too. A lot of people get married out here. I've been to a couple of weddings out here, and many other functions held out here in the castle in the ballroom. So really lovely location. Lots of lovely gardens up here, but I'm just taking this little pathway through just this one little area of the garden here. So that's it from me for a while, guys. I'm going to go and have some lunch, have a break, and I'll touch base with you all a bit later. Cheers. Okay guys, I'm back at the Go Bus yard, all done for the day. That was a big day today. Enjoyable, really nice group from the States. But yeah, big day. So ready to go home and relax. But the old girl did quite well today. The old 1993 B12. So I sort of thrown on this in the last minute, but did the job for us. So thanks again for watching my videos, and have a great day. Cheers.